Here it is, look. New house. Finally got the keys, haven't we? We're off to it now. 2 little puppy staffies to drag down the area. Yes. We're ready for it. Absolutely smash it. Demolition Danny's coming out to do artwork. Gonna get it smashed off. Everything, and there she is, look. There she is. There we are, that one there. Our house. Hey, ready, girls? We're posh now, eh? Let's have it. Woo! Here we are, look. Boom. Go on, lad. Tell there's a bit of air around it. Straight in. This is it. We're in. Whoa. Beautiful. Here she is. Demolition Dan. Demolition Dan is going to sort this. Watch. Come on, dogs. Have a slash on carpet. Make yourself at home. Go on. This is it. Fantastic wallpaper. Just what I've always wanted. Garden, look. Fit dogs. Fantastic. Nice bit of deck in there. Get myself a Barbie on go. Look. Do you like it? Do you love it? Garage door there, look. Fit gym. Fit gym! Just feels good having a house, I must admit. Fantastic fireplace, that's going to be getting fucking smashed out. Upstairs. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. Bedroom. Beautiful size. Ensuite. Whoa, fantastic! Getting fucking shower in this. Here we are. Here we are, main bathroom. Beautiful. Probably get our own stamp on this, do something to it. Bedroom 2. Beautiful size. Massive wardrobe. We don't want that, that'll be getting ripped out. Bedroom 3. Another good size. And here we are. Fantastic. It's only taken 11 weeks, but we had some unusual encounters. Dealings with solicitors, not playing ball. Then I threatened to take back the 20k. They soon got their act together. Right, let's get paintbrushes out. Here we are, look, we're on it already. Fireplace. Hey? Gone. Nana's here to make a cup of teas, aren't you? Yeah. Show us how it's done. Cleaning. Before any of you ask, yes, I do know what I'm doing. Thankfully, there's no power to the building yet, so we're alright. It's safe. Anything bigger than this, I might sub it out to one of my colleagues. Whoa, posy hunt job now, it's getting real. Old fridge, off skis, bye bye, au revoir, we don't want you. Ripping this out, getting a brand spanker and putting it there. Oh yeah. There we are, Nana's giving us an hand, taking him off. Thanks, Nana. Good job. We'll have it out in no time, won't we? Better already. One thing I didn't account for was getting the badger out. Hey? Gonna take some brute force in it, Nana. Yeah. It's alright. It's alright. Storm's here. Go on, Storm, get that out. Get that. There's no room and it won't slide. Just have to rip it out. Boom! Ready! Come on! No, Adrian!
And then why don't you just leave it here, Daniel?
It's out. Gasman commissioning. Cousin Adam, look. Doing it for the goodness of his heart. She alright? 10.5 millibar. Would have thought I knew what I was on about.
No, probably not.
Not bad graft there. For a sparky that doesn't now. Alright, give it big legs. Got full house stripped in about tonight. I'm off for it. Full house. This is the update. Finally. Wall finished. Done. Fantastic. Should have seen with like Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off with that bucket there, bucket and sponge. Applying paint stripper. I was off for it like the bloody clappers. Slinging this scraper about to scrape it all off. But yeah, we're done. Dog there, look, midnight snack. Chowing down. Other dog just there. Just got out of bed. I'm assuming about to have a Barry White on carpet. That's it, get outside you. Eh? But yeah, still aiming. Get it all stripped out tonight. Ready for tomorrow. Liquor paint. It's heavy. Oosh. Get in there, fill in some holes now. We'll get there. It's 11 o'clock at night and I'm still grafting. Makes a change. Ready for night shift, look. Pizza, can, chipperoonies. We will get this finished tonight. Won't we? Huh? Destroying pizza. Quick energy booster. Isn't it? Sleeping Beauty's there, look, waiting to do graft. Helping herself to something to go and laugh. Alright there, love. Giving it big legs. Mrs. what? Orange. That's it, wax on, wax off. You know the scar. It's spring clean before we give him a paint job. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. These two little beauties fast asleep. That's the life, innit? Let's do it. You ready? Big clean on. Supermarket sweep. 3 in the morning, cupboard doors are off. Leah's knackered. Dogs are catching flies in room. 3 AM and I've still got the CK screwdriver in my hand. I just don't know how to do it. Time for bed. It's been a busy day.